video. You will only listen my audio. I'm not going to write anything else. Okay, just listen to my voice. Okay, so this video is all about what are the memory based question of HAL design training and management training exam that has been conducted on 13th August 2021. And this question has been sent by one of my viewer, Mr. Ronnie. Okay, so I'm very thankful of him. So first, let us see. No, not see. Just listen. What are the management training questions of morning session? Okay, so from industrial engineering there is one MCQ of aggregate planning and inventory system. In production there is one welding, rolling, CAD CAM, automation and additive manufacturing. For this, from this topic there has been a theory questions are there. And from theory of machines there is questions of vibration regarding nature and gears. What are the basic gear ratio and which type of gear trains are there? Theory type. Okay. Next, on thermodynamics, there are some basic laws, just theory and just simple numerical, first law, second law. And in heat transfer, there has been some numericals based on radiations and conduction as well. And in convection, there are some definition based questions like which number indicate this number indicate what, and if the ratio of these two is indicate what. Okay, like ratio of inertia force upon viscous force is denote to which number, like that questions. Okay, so these were the questions from technical section. Mathematics, there are lots of questions are there. One, eigenvalue, eigenvector, Euler's equation of motion, differential equation are there, complex numbers, and Taylor series analysis. So from this topic, the question has been asked. Okay, so and in if we talk about reasoning, so there is some question based on series and statement conclusion type, and in English, synonym, antonym, and uh, just fill in the blank type and find out the error. There's that kind of questions are there. And in general awareness, uh, the questions were what is the capital of Fiji, ASRB full form, and who is the author of Playing It My Way autobiography, and some history questions were there. So these are the questions from management training. These are the questions from management training morning session exam paper. Okay, now uh, we will listen what are the uh, design training afternoon session questions are memory based question from design training. Okay, so in general awareness there are some questions of history like which movement started by whom, and one question from polity is who appoints the high court judges. Okay, who written the book. Same questions from morning session, and one or two full form. And one question is that when RTI Act has been established. So like that question. If we talk about English, so same synonym, antonym, tense, fill in the blanks, spot the error. These kind of questions were there. In reasoning, the level of questions will be was moderate, not will be. It was moderate. And one questions were like how many permutation combination, series base, and conclusion type. This same in not questions were same, but the level of question and the topics were same. Okay, so this was the from reasoning. And one more thing, in aptitude there were some questions of mixture allegation, profit loss. Okay, and yes, only these kind of questions were there. If we talk about mathematics, so in mathematics there were questions about finding eigenvalues, eigenvectors, and find out the characteristic equation, uh, Green's theorem, Stokes theorem, Taylor series expansions. There are 3 to 4 questions were there in afternoon session, and complex integration. And one is based on CR conditions are there. Based on that basis, one questions were there. One question from probability, one question from trapezoidal rule, Simpson rule numerical, Simpson's one third rule numerical. Okay, and there are some curves are there, and from that we have to find the which equation it satisfied. Okay, so these kind of questions were there in mathematics section. Okay, so mathematics, uh, if you have studied, then you will find easy. Otherwise, you have to mark any one option from the four. and one question from Euler's equations and solve the differential equation. So that kind of questions are in mathematics. So if we talk about technical portion in design training afternoon session, so there are some questions on basic thermodynamics, definition based, okay, gear ratio and types of gear train, basic question. Then block diagram of heat engine and vibrations. There were only theory based, finding out the natural frequency, all that. And one question is which type of truss that we have to tell. It is a match the following type. It was then some questions from second law of thermodynamics, and one question is from availability and irreversibility. If you talk about RAC, then one or two questions is from uh, refrigeration section. So finding out the COP, that kind of questions were there. And in psychrometry chart, which kind of which line shows what, that type of questions are there. And if you talk about in production, so in production, so there is a rolling mill. So there is one question based on regarding friction. If you increase and decrease, then what will happen? Then in manufacturing, if you talk about other questions, then different parts are and how they are produced. They were also match the following type. Next, there is one questions on Rankine's machine design column, which is based on Rankine theory, finding out the critical load. Like different columns are there, both hand fixed, both hand hinge, or one hand fixed, one hand free. That kind of questions. Okay, and parts from industrial. One question from part and CPM theoretical base. If you have clear your funda, then you can attempt it very easily. And in inventory, there were two numerical. One is from a normal moving average, and one is based on past demand. Okay, so and in welding, casting, there is I think there is no question. And from welding, there are one question from heat transfer efficiency, and we have to find out the what is the welding speed. And one question is from resistance welding using the equation I square RT. And from strength of material, match the following type questions are there. And one question is from procedure to calculate the stresses using the universal testing machine. And one from fluid mechanics, like turbine, which for which head, which type of turbine is used. Match the following type, like for high head low discharge and that kind of high head low discharge, then Pelton. And in dimensionless number, there are match the following, like which Reynolds number indicate what. And if you talk about additive manufacturing, then there were theory, like one question was uh, which process uses uh, the blocks of solid block to print the 3D layer by layer. And in another question was like in which rapid prototyping process the hot rollers are used to print layer by layer. So these kind of questions were there. If we talk about the level of questions, so in both the session there will be moderate question. There was some questions were that they were tricky, but it is good. Okay, so this is the memory based question. If you have some more question that you remembered, then you can write it in comment section also. So that will be helpful to other. So I hope you uh, gain some idea how the paper was. So thank you for watching this video and subscribe this channel MacTech 40. So for any future updates, thank you for watching.